National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches, hazards, and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters.
Hi YouTubers, it's me, Support EAS, and today is the last recovery test of July. So I got two messages on the Capella whale. That's not good. So that is okay. Then yeah. So let's start with the green Sharpie. Alright. Alright. So last recording we could test number 4. Check. Alright, so that will be all the recording we could test on the month of July. Showing us Tuesday for the last recording monthly test of the month. It is Los Angeles recording monthly test at 10:25 a.m. Then on Tuesday we're going to look ahead for August. Till then, Support EAS signing out. See you then.